Namaste and welcome to today's pranayam practice. Today's breathwork sequence is going to be a cooling pranayam, part of the ice breaths to reduce heat and truly allow yourself to de-stress and quieten your being. So very gently, sit in a comfortable position, keeping your head, neck and spine erect and in one line. Soften your shoulders, palms facing upwards on your knees, in Chin Mudra to receive the higher divine energy. Allow your eyes to fall close and very gently become aware of the natural rhythm of the breath. As the breath flows in and out, allow yourself to deepen the breath. Deep, conscious breathing. As you center yourself, you ground yourself for today's pranayam practice. Today's sequence will be a combination of 3 pranayams, 3 stages. Let's glide into the first stage. We'll be practicing Chandra Bhedana, the moon breath. For this, you'll allow yourself to come into Nasika Mudra with your hand, and you're going to be inhaling through the left and then exhaling through the right. And then again, inhale through the left and exhale through the right. Let's perform 2 rounds of 5 rounds each. Prepare yourself, Nasika Mudra. Exhale your breath out. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. 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 And relax. Allow yourself to feel the calmness within your mind, the cooling sensation within your body. As we prepare for your second round, Nasika Mudra, exhale your breath out. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. 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 In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, and 4. Relax. Natural rhythm of the breath. Just relax completely. A few moments in silence, taking in all of this beautiful energy that's just been created. Let's get ready as we glide into the second stage of today's practice. we'll be experimenting with Sheetkari pranayam. For this, you'll be inhaling by clenching the teeth and exhale through the mouth very gently. So you're going to inhale, clenching the teeth. Exhale comfortably through the nose. We also call this the milkshake breath. Truly imagine yourself sucking in a beautiful, yummy milkshake and then releasing the breath either through the mouth, but if possible, through the nose would be the best. Let's perform 2 rounds together, 10 breaths each. Exhale the breath out. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. 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 And relax. Just take a few natural breaths here. Just allowing yourself to feel the after effect of this beautiful practice. Feeling a cool, beautiful, calm flow within you. Let's prepare ourselves for our second round. Exhale your breath out. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. 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 In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3. Relax. Natural rhythm of the breath. Feel the sensations, the energy flowing throughout your being, a sense of quietude within your mind. serenity within your heart. As we glide into our final stage for today's practice, we'll glide into Bhramari Pranayam, or the bumblebee breath. For this, you'll be keeping your hands in Shanmukhi Mudra. That means your thumb will cover the ears, index finger above the eyebrows, middle finger on the eyes, ring finger by the nose, and pinky finger by the cheeks. You'll be inhaling through the nose, and as you exhale, you're gonna make a M sound, like the bumblebee. This will really help relax your entire nervous system. I invite you to do 10 rounds of M sound at your own pace. So prepare yourself. Shanmukhi Mudra. Deep breath in. Relax the hands, palms facing upwards on your knees. Take a moment of silence here to truly absorb the beautiful benefits of today's practice. Feel that silence, serenity, and stillness. We are nearing the end of today's practice. Allow yourself to take a deep inhalation through the nose and sigh it out, let it go. Very gently bring your hands to your heart center as we take a moment to expand our consciousness and pray for the well-being of one and all. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukha bhag bhave. Bow your head down utmost gratitude. Looking at both your palms, gently open up your eyes with a heightened experience of inner calmness and connection. Namaste.